Hi beauty baddies, welcome back to the Fall Decorating with Me 2018 series. This is a budget-friendly, adorable, and very easy to do decorating haul. Hi, I'm Raylin from RaylinNYC.com. I'm here to make you the best version of yourself through my journey and to own your voice. Today I am so excited to do the fall special series. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the below button, and check out all of the other videos I have on fall decorating. Let's get started. So I'm really excited for everything that I got. I think there's a lot of colors, a lot of different varieties, and it will just go well with the home decor. I am sticking to a color palette, so I'm using reds, orange, yellows, a little bit of burgundy, and just a hint of black. These items are great for people with allergies, and it is also very safe, which I will explain in a moment. Before we start, I wanted to thank you for all of the comments about the drink of the day. I have a new drink of the day, of course. I made this to energize. It is called the Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice Latte. You'll see why that's important in about 2 minutes. Oh good. And as always, this is keto, vegan, and singer friendly. It only has 5 ingredients. Comment below with your email if you would like me to send you the recipe. It's all natural and it is really good for your body. It helps to energize you. So drink this before decorating and you'll be ready to do it in a snap. So the first things that I found are the fake flowers. These are by Michaels. This one is under $10. This one is under $20. Just depending on the type of space you have at your apartment, depends on what size of flowers you would like. I just think these are really pretty. These have a little bit of sparkle in them, so it's a little more sophisticated. And these have the cute little pumpkins in them. I just loved the vibrant colors and I thought they were great. This one can also be used for Thanksgiving as well. And as always, the fake flowers are perfect for singers and for those who are prone to allergies. If you have guests coming, it's really important. Please have fake flowers in your home instead of plants are fine. But sometimes for those people who are allergy prone, it's nice to have the cute little fake flowers, so your guests will be happy. So I also got this tray, and you won't believe it, but it's from Ashland and it is $6. I think I'm going to use it on my table. You can put salt and pepper shakers on it, or you can put little candles aligned along it just to give it a nice ambiance. I was trying to go with a more subtle color here so it looks more traditional and more sophisticated. I absolutely love the fall, not only because it's close to my birthday, but because it's pumpkin season. You get to go on hay rides. I love apple picking. It's such a great time of the year and there are so many traditions, so many activities, and a lot of fun things that you can do throughout the season to be closer to your family. Comment below yes if you love the fall season as much as I do. I got this light up pumpkin. I think it is so adorable. It gives it a very rustic feel, but at the same time it's contemporary with the different lighting, and I can't wait to show you it lit up in the next video. I think that you'll find it really fun and adorable. You know what, this actually reminds me of Cinderella as well. Maybe that's why I got it. So this is under $20 as well, which you can't go wrong with that. It's from Michaels. So I was also looking for a little tablecloth that I could use, but I wasn't really finding anything. A lot of it was very bold colors, and I wanted something a little subtle but with a little hint of color, some shimmer, something that shined a little bit. So I found from Martha Stewart this absolutely beautiful sheer tablecloth that's black as well as gold. The table that I have is black, so I would love to just drape it over and see the gold sequins just shimmering with the added texture. This is under $10 as well, and I am so glad I actually found it because I was finding very bold one-tone prints, but this is something that's unique. Oh, and I can also see that there's some silver as well. That's nice. I also just wanted to show you a little quickly the accents that I got. So I got a few candles. If you would like to or have any of these around your house, you can paint it a different color and make it more autumn oriented. I would suggest using a crackle tone. These are very good just for something a little bit more distressed for autumn. They are super cheap, $2. So while I was shopping, I wanted to give you guys all of the options I could and make your homes a little bit safer. So I think I found the perfect thing for you. These are from Ashland, of course, and they are LED flameless candles. They use real wax, so you can't tell the difference, and I just think they look great, aesthetically very pleasing. So these are $12.99 and these are $5.99. This comes in a 4-pack, this comes in a 3-pack. I also got a few extras just to spruce up the pieces that I got. So I got these leaves. You can also get little cobwebs, you can get ribbon, anything that really speaks to you, some pebbles, and make it a little bit extra. I also want to put a little bit more accents on the pieces. So if you're liking this video, just let me know if there are any other items that you use in your home that you absolutely love. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to try them out and test them out. I also got this diffuser from Ashland. I'm so excited for this. It smells exactly like apples, and I love baking apple pie or apple turnovers. So good. Vegan and keto style, of course, but it's so good. And I even like the bottle. You'll be able to see it in the next video. I think what I'm going to do with it is put it on the tray if I want to put it as a table piece or centerpiece setting. And this is also under $10. The fragrance is very potent. If you want something that the guests will love and definitely smell, then this is great. So this is actually under $10, I know, and it is a great find, and you can diffuse it for up to an hour. So along with the diffuser, I also got the pumpkin spice chai candles. They're very small candles, but they smell exactly like the pumpkin spice and everything nice latte. They smell really good. These are $6 and you can get 12 of them, so you can't beat that. Now what I love to do with these candles, which is a very nice tip and it doesn't really cost you anything, is to put them on a mason jar. So you will notice that I have my lovely almond butter that I ate all of because I love almonds, and the only ingredient it has is almond. Take the cover off, wash it off nice. You can use this for the flowers that we talked about earlier. Just stick the flowers in, maybe put a little accent color underneath of it, and you're good to go. It gives it a nice classy look. I'll show you in the next video how I actually do that. You can even tie a ribbon around it if you'd like. So instead of putting the little candles in votives or in a different handle, I like to use the tops of the mason jars to put the votives in with a little splash of either leaves or ribbons or twine that I find. Next thing I got that I'm really excited about, it's called Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. It goes really well with the coffee, but I just absolutely love this accent piece. I think it is so cute. It's very cozy and gives that very home feel, and it expresses the joy of fall. This little guy I got for $10 at Michael's, and I can't wait to put him up on my centerpiece. So as always, I saved the best for last, and I wanted something that was really fun and very out of the box that you could just enjoy in your home. So I think I found it. It's a very nice accent piece. You can see right here, it is from Michael's. I think it's very beautiful and it's a nice stature. It's a great height. I think the steel really makes it modern and a very nice modern twist. And you can also use your flameless candles or your pumpkin spice candles as well. I would love to put this in the center of the room on one of the tables. So I'm going to end this video right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and I'm going to enjoy the pumpkin spice and everything nice latte. So write a comment down below on all of the ideas you have for all of the different things that I got, or any ideas that you have as well. I absolutely love hearing from you, and I do respond to all of the comments. Again, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like. And don't worry if you forgot all of this, you can grab my free checklist down below of everything that I got. The links are also in the description, so don't worry, I have you. It's all okay. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beauty bodies.